Gurubhyo Namaha. So today class is Model 14. This is last class for Model 14. In Model 14 there are four submodels. Okay, these four are submodels in Model 14. Already three submodels completed. Last one is integral 1 by px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c. That is the last submodel. Okay, so today class is last class for model 14. So what are the problems in this class? I am going to explaining two problems. Continuation of last previous classes. Last previous classes 8 problems completed. The continuation is 9th one and 10th one. These are the essay questions. This class is only enough for two problems only. Okay. In the previous classes I told that already three submodels. These are the submodels in model 14. The first submodel is integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Second one, integral px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Third one, integral px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. The last one is integral 1 by px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. This model 14 is very most important. Okay, in this model 14 there are four submodels. These are the four submodels. These two are contained. These three are completed. ఈ మోడల్ మీద మనం ఫోర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పుకున్నాం. దీని మీద టూ, దీని మీద టూ, దీని మీద టూ చెప్పుకున్నాం. టోటల్ గా మోడల్ 14 లో 10 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నట్టు అవుతుందన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్. సో నౌ ఐ యామ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ నెంబర్ 9. Integral 1 by x plus 1 into square root of 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the problem. So what is the how to evaluate the integration, this type of special type of integration? Is this the standard form? Yes. Integral 1 by px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. This is the standard format. What is the working process? The working process is depends on three steps. What is step 1? This x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. That is step 1. That is means substitution. This 2x to calculate 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Step 2. Step 3. Entering into the problem. Write all these values to get the required integration. Okay. Now that is the working process. What is the working process? Step 1. Step 1 means x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. Let us consider here first step 1 by substituting method. By using substituting method, x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. So differentiating on both sides we get. So d by dx of x plus 1 is equal to d by dx of 1 by t. What is the derivative of x? 1. What is the derivative of constant? 0. What is the derivative of 1 by t with respect to x? With respect to x or with respect to t? The derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Minus 1 by t square into the derivative of t, that equal to dt by dx. By cross multiplication, dx is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt. Here x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t, dx is equal to minus 1 by t square. Substitution is over. That means step 1 is over. What is the step 1? Substitute this expression px plus q, that means x plus 1 treat as t, that is x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. Differentiating on both with respect to x, we get dx is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt. So step 1 is over. What is step 2? Step 2 means to calculate this value. What value? Ax square plus bx plus c. That means 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Take this value 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 into. What is the value of x? But here x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. X plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. This implies x is equal to 1 by t minus 1. By simplification, 1 minus t by t. This is x value. X plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. I want x. This implies to 1 by t minus 1. So by simplification 1 minus t by t, this is the x value. X value is equal to this one. X plus 1 value is equal to 1 by 2. So step 1 is over. Or step 2 means to calculate 2x square plus 3x plus 1, that equal to x square, that equal to 1 minus t by t whole square plus 3 into 1 minus t by t plus 1, that equal to 2 into a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab by t square plus 3 into 1 minus t by t plus 1, that equal to 2 multiplying with 2 plus 2 square minus 4t by t square plus 3 minus 3t by t plus 1. What is the LCM of this expression? That equal to LCM is t square. So t square cancel. The remaining part 2 plus 2t square minus 4t plus t square by t, that equal to t times t into 3 minus t, and 3t minus 3t square plus 1 into t square, that equal to 2t square minus 3t square plus t square cancel, t square 3t square 2t square. Next minus 4t plus 3t minus t. Next 2 plus 2 by t square, that equal to 2 minus t by t square. The value of 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 minus t by t square. Step 2 is over. What is step 1? Step 1 is substitution. What is substitution? X plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. So integrating on both sides, we get dx is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt. Okay, x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. What is the value of x? X is equal to 1 by t minus 1. By simplification, 1 minus t by t. X value is equal to 1 minus t by t. X plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. Step 1 is over. Step 2, take this expression. In this expression, the value x is equal to 1 minus t by t, substituting here. By simplification, t minus 2 minus t by t square. Step 2 is over. Okay. Step 1 is over. This is step 1. This is step 2. Two steps are completed. Next I am going to explaining step 3. What is step 3? Entering into the problem. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం లో ఎంటర్ అయ్యి ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by what is x plus 1? 1 by t. What is the value of 2x square plus 3x plus 1? This one, 2 minus t by t square, right here. Into what is the value of dx? Dx is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt. Okay, so x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t, x is equal to 1 minus t by t, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 minus t by t square, substituting here. That is step 3. Okay, next step 3, integral 1 by what is x plus 1? 1 by t. Root of what is the value of 2x square plus 3x plus 1? 2 minus t by t square into what is dx? Minus 1 by t square into dt. So this 1 by t, that equal to integral minus 1 by t square dt by 1 by t into root t minus t by root t square, that means t. T into t square. This t square cancel. That equal to integral minus 1 by t square into dt by 1 by t into t, 1 by t square into root of 2 minus t. So this value cancel. The remaining part is minus integral 1 by root t minus t dt. The final integral is 1 by 2 minus t. How to evaluate this integral? This is model 2 substitution method. 2 minus t is equal to z square. 2 minus t is equal to z square. So d by dt of 2 minus t is equal to d by dt of z square. Substitution method. That equal to derivative of 2 constant 0. Derivative of t 1 is equal to what is the derivative of z square? 2z. What is the derivative of z? dz by dt. Okay, by cross multiplication, minus dt is equal to 2z into dz. That equal to dt is equal to minus 2z into dz. So this is substitution for this integration, above integration, minus integral 1 by root of t minus t into dt. That equal to integral minus integral 1 by, what is the value of 2 minus t? 2 minus t is equal to z square. That equal to root z square into, what is the value of dt? dt is equal to minus 2 into z into dz. So that equal to minus integral 1 by z into, so minus into minus plus 1 by z into 2z into dz. That equal to z cancel. Okay, that equal to integral to 1 into dz. So integral 1 into dx is equal to, integral 1 into dx is equal to x. That equal to 2 into z. Okay, integral 1 into dz, z. What is z? This implies z is equal to square root of 2 minus t. So that equal to 2 into square root of 2 minus t. Finally, what is t? T is equal to 2 into square root of 2 minus, what is t? X plus 1 is equal to, x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. I want t. T is equal to 1 by x plus 1. Okay, this is the t value. So t is equal to 1 by x plus 1 plus c. By simplification, 2 into square root of 2x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So the final value is 2 into square root of 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. This is the integration of this problem. So ninth problem complete అయిపోయింది. The final integration of 2 into square root of 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. This is the integration of this problem ninth one. ఒకసారి రిపీట్ వన్స్ అగైన్ నైన్త్ ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా చేస్తున్నాం అనేది చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. దిస్ ఇస్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by x plus 1 into root of 2x square plus 3x plus 1 dx. This is the format of integral 1 by px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Working process. The working process depends on three steps. Step 1. This x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. dx is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt. Okay, dx value మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది? minus 1 by t square into dt అని వచ్చింది. అలా ఉంచుతాం. x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. To calculate x value, x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t. X is equal to 1 by t minus 1, that equal to 1 minus t by t. X value కూడా తెలిసింది. That is step 1 is over. What is step 2? ఇక్కడ మీరు డినామినేటర్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ యొక్క వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. హియర్ x అన్న చోట మనం ఏం రాయాలంటే 1 minus t by t రాయాలి. అదంతా సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే కనుక మీకు ఆ వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుందంటే ఎంత వచ్చింది? రూట్ ఆఫ్ t 2 minus t by t స్క్వేర్ వచ్చింది. అంటే ఈ లోపల ఉన్న దీని అంతటిని కూడా x ప్లేస్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఈ వాల్యూ వచ్చింది. స్టెప్ 2 ఇస్ ఓవర్. వాట్ ఇస్ స్టెప్ 3? Step 3 problem ఎక్కించాలి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by x plus 1 into root of 2x square plus 3x plus 1 into dx. x plus 1 ఉన్న చోట 1 by t రాయాలి. రూట్ ఆఫ్ దీని ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అంతా కూడా మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాం, అది ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. ఇంటూ dx అంటే మన స్టెప్ 1 లో ఉంటది minus 1 by t square into dt. ఇది స్టెప్ 1 నుంచి వస్తది. dx వాల్యూ ఫ్రమ్ స్టెప్ 1. సో x plus 1 is also step 1. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 value step 2 నుంచి వస్తుంది. ఆ వాల్యూస్ తీసుకుని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాను నేను. అయితే ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by minus 1 by t square into dt by 1 by t into root of 2 minus root t square అంటే t into t square. So minus 1 by t square into dt by 1 by t into 1 by t square into root of 2 minus t. So 1 by t square 1 by t square cancel. This minus right in front of integration. So minus that equal to where is that equal to minus integral 1 by root of in the remaining part ఇది cancel అయిపోయింది. ఇంటిగ్రల్ మైనస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by root of t minus t dt. సో దీని యొక్క ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ t లో ఉంది. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే అగైన్ బై అప్లైయింగ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్. మనకి మోడల్ 2 లో ఇటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని వచ్చినాయి, కాకపోతే అక్కడ x లో ఉన్నాయి, t లో ఉన్నాయి. నేను ఏం చేస్తాను, 2 minus t మళ్ళీ z స్క్వేర్ కింద కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటాను. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తే కనుక d by dt విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు t చేయాలి. t చేసిన పర్లేదు, z చేసిన పర్లేదు. d by dt of 2 minus t is equal to d by dt of z square. So constant derivative 0, t derivative 1 is equal to 2z into dz by dt. By cross multiplication dt is equal to minus 2z into dz. But here 2 minus t is equal to z square. What is the value of z? Z is equal to root of 2 minus t. Problem again problem. Minus integral 1 by this root z square dt. dt is equal to minus 2z into dz. Okay, that equal to మనకి ఎంత వస్తుంది అప్పుడు ఇది -1 by root of z square, ఇదంటే z square into minus 2z into dz. z root z square means z cancel, remaining part 2 minus into minus plus 2 into integral 1 dz. Integral 1 dz z. What is z? Z is here. Z is equal to root of t minus t. So z is equal to root of t minus t. 2 into root of 2 minus what is t? T for 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So by take LCM, 2x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 1, that equal to 2x plus 1 by x plus 1. The final integration is 2 into root of 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. So this is problem number 9. Okay, 9th problem is over. Next I am going to explaining 10th one. What is 10th one? Integral 1 by 1 plus x into square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square into dx is the standard form. What is the standard form? Integral 1 by px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx is the standard form. Yes, it is a standard form. So to follow the working process. What is working process? Here px plus q. This px plus q is equal to treat as 1 by t. Let us consider px plus q is equal to 1 by t. Now 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2. Substitution method. Let 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2. Differentiating on goes with respect to x. 1 derivative 0, x derivative 1 is equal to derivative of 1 by t minus 1 by t square into what is the derivative of t? dt by dx. So by cross multiplication dx is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt by dx. So 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t is one of the value. Next dx is equal to minus 1 by t square is another value. Okay, next 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t. I want x value, and by solving this equation, that means 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t, x is equal to 1 by t minus 1, x is equal to 1 by t minus 1. By simplification 1 minus t by t, take LCM t, 1 minus t by t. This is the x value. X value is equal to 1 minus t by t. Step 1 is over. This is step 1. What is the step 1? Substitution. Substitution is called step 1. What is step 2? In the problem, take this expression 2x square plus 3x plus 1. That expression is 3x plus 2x minus x square. 3 plus 2 into what is the value of x? X is equal to 1 minus t by t. Right here 1 minus t by t minus what is the value of x square? X square means 1 minus t by t whole square. That equal to 3 plus 2 into 1 minus t by t minus a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab by t square. Take LCM. ఈ మూడు టర్మ్స్ కి LCM ఎంత అవుతుందంటే ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది. This is 1. 1 కి t కి t square కి LCM t square. అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎంత అవుతుంది t స్క్వేర్ బై 1 ఇలా వేసుకోవాలి t స్క్వేర్ బై 1 t స్క్వేర్ 3 into t స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ t స్క్వేర్ బై t స్క్వేర్ బై t that equal to t into numerator అంటే 2t into 1 minus t minus t square by t square 1 that 1 into this one okay 1 plus t square minus 2t by simplification 3t square plus 2t minus 2t square minus 1 minus t square plus 2t by t square here 3t square minus 2t square minus t square minus 3t square plus 2t plus 2t plus 4t minus 1 so these two are cancelled we get 4t minus 1 by t square so the expression value 3 plus 2x minus x square is equal to 4t minus 1 by t square step 1 is over next goes to step 3 what is step 3 step 3 is the entering into the problem okay what is problem integral 1 by x plus 1 into root of 1 plus x 1 plus x into root of 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. What is step 3? Entering into the problem. In this problem, integral 1 by, what is 1 plus x? 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t into root of, what is the value of this one? 3 plus 2x minus x square value is equal to 4t minus 1 by t square into what is the value of dx? dx is equal to minus 1 by t square minus 1 by t square into dt. So that equal to in this integrand always cancel t root t square t into t square that t square this t square cancel always that equal to integral 1 by t into root of 4t minus 1 by t into minus 1 by t square into dt. So integral 1 by t whole square root of 4t minus 1 into minus 1 by t square into dt. This value cancel that equal to integral 1 by root of 4t minus 1 dt. This is remaining integration. Integral 1 by root of 4t minus 1 into dt. Again by applying substitution method, 4t minus 1 is equal to z square. In that problem lo చేసినట్టుగానే చేయటమే. ఆ కంటిన్యూషన్ గా చేస్తాను చూడండి. ఈ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మనం ఈ వాల్యూస్ 1 plus x ఈ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by root of 4t minus 1 into dt. దీని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. అయితే 9th ప్రాబ్లం లో మనం ఎలా అయితే చేసాం అదే విధంగా చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ కూడా మళ్ళీ రెండోసారి సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ అంటే ఈ సబ్ మోడల్ 4th సబ్ మోడల్ లో రెండు సార్లు సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్ ఉపయోగించాలన్నమాట. ఒకసారి ఏమో px q t అనుకున్నాం అంటే 1 plus x 1 by t అనుకున్నాం. ఇంకొకసారి ఇక్కడ వచ్చేటికి ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్ అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి 4t minus 1 is equal to z అనుకోవాలి. సో ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by root of 4t minus 1 into dt. సో 4t minus 1 is equal to z అనుకున్నాం కదా z square అయితే ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది z square అనుకుంటారు. ఓకే డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేసాం. సో dt is equal to 1 by 2 z into dz. సో మనకి dt వాల్యూ వచ్చింది అంటే dt ఉన్న చోట 1 by 2 z into dz రాస్తాం. ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by root of 4t minus 1 ఉన్న చోట z square రాస్తాం. That equal to 1 by root of z square into 1 by 2 into z into dz. 1 by 2 is constant right in front of integration. 1 by 2 integral 1 by z root z square means z into z into dz. Z cancel. 1 by 2 integral 1 into dz. So 1 integral 1 into dx x integral 1 into dt t integral 1
స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇక్కడ వీడియో క్లిప్ ఒకటి మిస్ అయింది నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి 1/2 ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 into dz 1 into dz z that means 1/2 into z plus c but what is the value of z z square is equal to 4t minus 1 z is equal to root of 4t minus 1 so 1/2 into root of 4t minus 1 plus c but what is the value of t 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t. T is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. Right in place of t is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. By simplification we get 3 minus x by 1 plus x. The final integration of given problem is 1 by 2 into root of 3 minus x by 1 plus x plus c. So 10th problem is over. ఓకే, ఈ క్లాస్ తోటి మోడల్ 14 ఈజ్ కంప్లీటెడ్. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఎస్ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నమాట. మీకు నేను అసైన్మెంట్ కింద ఒక 14 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఈ 14 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. అన్ని మోడల్స్ కూడా రివ్యూ అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. ఈ మోడల్ నెంబర్ 14 స్పెషల్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్స్లో ఈ మోడల్ నెంబర్ 14 చక్కగా చేస్తే మొత్తం గ్రిప్ వస్తుంది అన్నమాట ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ మీద. సో అసైన్మెంట్లో అయినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ చేసే ముందు నోట్స్లో ఉన్న 10 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి అప్పుడు ఈ అసైన్మెంట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి 14 క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా చేసి కరెక్ట్గా నోట్స్లో ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి ఉండండి. ఓకే డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, మీకు మోడల్ 14 కంప్లీట్ అయింది. ఈ మోడల్ 14 మీద నేను 10 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇవన్నీ బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీకు అసైన్మెంట్ నెంబర్ 1లో ఉన్నటువంటి 14 క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి మీ నోట్స్లో ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే.